Alright guys, welcome back. It is day 3 of me setting up this house as an Airbnb. So right now we are making brunch. We have hot dogs and eggs. This morning I went to go pick up a space heater, that thing right there, and then also these like really big chairs. I could barely fit these inside the car that I'm driving right now. So it was a very tight fit, but I was able to get it to work. And we picked up a vacuum. Funny story I have to tell about that one. We picked this up last night from someone for like 40 bucks. The mattresses we slept on, we haven't been able to clean them because we didn't have a vacuum. So last night when we got back, used the vacuum to vacuum up the mattresses. So I vacuumed up the mattresses and turns out it was actually not sucking anything. Because I pulled on the hose and there was no suction on the hose. So I was like, okay, this thing's broken. So I found that it wasn't suctioning anything. So I took a closer look at the vacuum itself. And this piece right here, this is basically what, when it sucks it up through here, it brings it up through here, and it throws it all inside this canister. Same thing with the hose up here. Goes in, comes in, just like that. That piece was missing. So I texted my mom, which found the vacuum for me, and she was like, what the? But then I double checked the car we're driving to see if there's a piece in there. And lo and behold, that little like elbow knob thingy was there. So I reattached it and it works completely fine now. So yeah, that was a little thing. Make sure you watch and test out the items that you buy. And it doesn't work, check the car, maybe a piece fell off. You never know. But today we have not as much to do. I finally got those batteries. I went down to Walmart to get those AA's. I'm gonna install this keypad door lock here in a little bit. This gigantic rug we have here, it's gonna be going outside on the patio, so I just vacuumed it. But then other than that, pretty much what we have for today. I mean, later on we have a bunch of stuff to pick up. We have to pick up this queen size mattress. That's gonna be a little bit tough, but you know, we'll make it work. We're gonna eat some brunch. Let's do this. We got this gigantic rug that's gonna be out here. We're not sure if it's gonna fit, but it actually might. I think it, possibly. Never mind, it's not gonna fit. We're gonna install this electronic lock. All right, first thing we gotta do is install the latch. Remove this entire thing right here. Start off with this part here. It looks very similar to the one I have in that box, so this shouldn't be too bad. All right, first things first, install this latch. Install the strike. Apparently this is called a strike, so it goes right there. So now we gotta assemble this like keypad thing. So okay, stick that inside here. So the wire is sticking out right here. Just like that. This thing looks like a face, so you have the two eyes and then the mouth. So essentially what you gotta do, stick the wire through the mouth. That piece sticking out goes on the nose. We're gonna take these screws right here. There's holes here on the inside. Stick these long screws through the eyes. Okay, got it. There you go. See, the eyes has the screws in it, and then the nose, and then the wire with the coming out of the mouth. So that's just how I try to simplify things in my head. So it makes it a lot easier to get stuff done. Made a little bit of a mistake here. The thing is crooked. Good thing I caught it right now before I put this entire back panel on. There you go. Now we gotta program this thing. It said don't close the door just in case of accidentally being locked out, so I am taking precaution here. Just finished up getting this all done. See how the opening of this strike here is so much wider than this one right here? The issue I was coming up with is that every time I close the door and just hit lock, when it would try to lock, it wouldn't be able to because you'd have to kind of pull the door. So if I ever turn on like the auto lock thing, it's probably not going to be the best experience, I guess. So I tried to make it as easy as possible. So if you want to take a little demo here, so I hit lock. And it's locked. It's not gonna be like, you know, either saying this one's black, but this one's gonna be like a brass color, but it's okay. Now locking the door would be 10 times easier, and it'd be easier for every other guest that potentially will stay here. It's not so hard. It's pretty much like the bottom one, but with like 2 extra steps. It's come and take a look at this door now. All right, go ahead, close the door and lock it. You don't need to like pull it like how we were earlier. You can just press the lock. Oh, you can't get in anymore, can you?
Nope.
To get in, you're gonna have to type in the code. There we go. Yeah. Well, there you go. Yeah. So.
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh. So you want to do the honors of taking off this sticker? Oh, great. Now it's not satisfying.
Stop it, and then I'm gonna do it again.
Go ahead, take off the sticker.
Yeah, see, look.
Wow.
First try.
First try.
Man.
That's
Look
awesome.
At no residue or anything.
That's awesome.
Look
Wow.
at that.
All right, good job. Woo. Last thing I have to do today is just pick up a mattress and a set of curtains, but that's later on today. But I got that keypad installed, which was one of the main things I just want to do already today. So mission accomplished. Tomorrow we just have a lot more things to pick up and, you know, install whatever may come. You want to see the next vlog, click the top link, and the previous one, click the bottom link. But I'll see you guys in the next one.